Welcome to Bardolino, on the shores of Lake Garda. In just a few minutes, you'll experience a full 4K tour through its charming streets, stunning lakeside views, delicious food, and vibrant local life, all in crisp, cinematic quality. Whether you're planning your next trip or just dreaming of Italian escapes, this video will give you everything you need to know. What to eat, what to see, what to do, from sunrise to sunset. So sit back, relax, and let's start exploring. Piazza Agugustino Gerieri is more than just a square. It's a peaceful green space right by the lake, where Bardolino slows down. Locals come here to sit under the trees, read a book, or watch the waves roll in. In the summer, this park turns into a stage for small festivals and concerts, making it one of the town's most loved gathering spots. Whether you come for a rest or to take in the view, this is where Bardolino breathes easy. Every summer, Bardolino installs a Ferris wheel near the lakeside, and it quickly becomes a favorite for both kids and adults. As you rise above the rooftops, the view opens up. Vineyards to the east, Lake Garda stretching endlessly westward. The ride is smooth and quiet, just you, the wind, and a perfect 360-degree view of one of Italy's most enchanting corners. The lakeside promenade in Bardolino stretches gracefully along the water, offering stunning views of Lake Garda at every step. Lined with palm trees and flower beds, it's the perfect place to enjoy a gentle breeze, watch swans glide across the lake, or simply sit and let the world drift by. As you walk, cafes and ice cream stands invite you to pause. It's peaceful, scenic, and soaked in that special Garda light that seems to turn every moment into a postcard. Bardolino's harbor is small, yet filled with character. Fishing boats and elegant sailboats sway gently in the water, framed by the pastel facades of the waterfront. The old town hall watches over the scene, echoing centuries of tradition. This is a place where life moves at a different rhythm, slow, simple, and serene. Whether you visit at sunrise with golden light dancing on the lake or in the calm of evening, it's a perfect place to capture the timeless charm of Bardolino. Just a few steps from the port, you'll find the Prionda, a mysterious round stone that has stood here for centuries. Legend has it that if you circle it 3 times, you'll be guaranteed to return to Bardolino. No one really knows its origins, but that's part of the charm. Locals believe it was once used by fishermen, perhaps as a market or meeting point. Today, it's a quiet symbol of continuity, something small, simple, yet full of soul. Hidden within Bardolino's cheerful streets are fragments of its medieval past. The Scaligere walls, once built to protect the town, are reminders of a more turbulent era. Look closely and you'll see the craftsmanship in every stone. The tower, with its distinctive battlements, recalls the power of the Scaligeri, the ruling family of Verona. These ruins aren't grand or imposing, but they carry whispers of history, waiting for those who care to listen. Piazza Matiati is the vibrant soul of Bardolino. This pedestrian square is always alive, with locals enjoying their espresso, children chasing pigeons, and travelers strolling between shops and gelaterias. In the center, the Church of Saints Niccolò and Severo stands tall, its neoclassical facade a reminder of the town's religious and cultural heritage. This is where Bardolino breathes, elegant, colorful, and full of small Italian moments that make you slow down and smile. San Severo Church is a precious relic of Romanesque architecture dating back to the 11th century. From the outside, its stone facade appears modest, but step inside, and you're surrounded by centuries-old frescoes, some of them haunting, others filled with delicate beauty. The silence here is powerful. This isn't just a church. It's a link to a medieval world, preserved in stone and paint. For those who seek beauty beyond the surface, San Severo is an unforgettable stop. Punta Cornichello is a small but charming beach just a short stroll from the town center. With its clean waters, shady trees, and a relaxed atmosphere, it's the perfect spot to unwind. Locals come here to sunbathe, swim, or simply watch the waves lap gently against the stones. There's no rush, no noise, just peace, sunshine, and the quiet rhythm of Lake Garda. But Bardolino is not just about views. It's a place where you taste the land. Begin with bigoli con le sarde, thick pasta with lake sardines, olive oil, and a touch of garlic. It's rustic, flavorful, and totally unique to the region. So another specialty is risotto con la tinca, made with tench, a freshwater fish caught right here in Lake Garda. And don't miss lucio in salsa, pike in a delicate caper and anchovy sauce, usually served with creamy polenta. For dessert, try fugassa gardesana, a soft, sweet bread typical of local celebrations. Of course, no meal is complete without a glass of Bardolino red wine or the fresh and fruity Chiaretto, the region's iconic rosé. Things to do in Bardolino. There's more to Bardolino than calm lake views. For adventure, try kayaking, paddleboarding, or even a sailing tour on Lake Garda. If you prefer land over water, rent a bike and explore the famous Bardolino wine trail. It winds through vineyards, olive groves, and scenic countryside. Wine lovers can stop for tastings and learn how Bardolino and Chiaretto wines are made. Families will enjoy boat trips to nearby towns like Sirmione or Lazis, or a peaceful afternoon at the lakefront parks. And for something different, join a local cooking class or food tour. It's a delicious way to dive into culture. And now you might be wondering, who is Bardolino really perfect for? And when's the best time to come here? Bardolino welcomes everyone. It's ideal for couples seeking romance, families looking for safety and comfort, and solo travelers or groups eager to relax or explore. Spring and autumn are the best times to visit. When the weather is mild, the town is less crowded, and the colors are simply magical. Summer brings energy, festivals, and nightlife, especially by the lakefront. But even in winter, Bardolino retains its charm. So whether you're here for the food, the wine, the history, or just to breathe a little slower, Bardolino has something special waiting for you. Thanks for joining me in beautiful Bardolino. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Every week, we discover a new destination together. See you in the next adventure.